Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cool flicker text animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition. Set the frame rate to 30 fps and resolution to half, then click OK. Next, grab the type tool and type your text. Adjust the text properties like font, style, scale, spacing, however you want. Now open the align window and center the text both vertically and horizontally so it's right in the middle of your composition. Then select the text layer. Click on animate and choose opacity. Inside range selector 1, set the opacity value to 0%. Now click add, then go to property, then select tracking. Go to the range selector and create a keyframe for the start button at 0%. Then open the advanced tab and turn the randomize order to on. Set the random seed keyframe at 0%. Then move your playhead to 1 second. Then set the random seed to 25 and change start to 100%. Now you have the basic flicker animation and you will notice the text fades in and fades out smoothly. If you like that look, keep it as it is. But if you want a harsh tube light style flicker, then go to advanced and set smoothness to 0. This removes the fade and makes the flicker snappy. Now let's enhance this text. Select the text layer, go to edit, duplicate and create a copy. Select this duplicate layer, open the character window, turn off the fill color by clicking on it and turn on the stroke color by clicking on it. Choose any stroke you like. I'm using white with 1 pixel border in my comp. Now press U on the duplicate layer. If you move the keyframe slider left and right, you'll notice nothing changed in the animation. So you have to change the random seed on the duplicate layer to 50. Now you will see a different flicker pattern, which makes the animation look much more interesting and dynamic. And finally, let's add a glowing effect. Go to layer, then new, then adjustment layer. Open the effects and presets panel. Search for glow and drag this one to the adjustment layer. You should now see a glowing flicker effect. Then feel free to experiment with glowing threshold, radius and intensity to customize the look. And that's it, your flicker animation is ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adobe After Effects tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.